In this video, I am going to discuss about the definition of fundamental units. कल हमने बताया था fundamental quantities और उनकी units, and there are the 7 fundamental quantities. And what that fundamental quantities? Length, mass, time, thermodynamic temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. And the unit of these fundamental quantities means length is measured in meter. So here I am going to definition of fundamental units. Length, its unit is meter. Mass, unit kilogram. Time, its unit is second. Current, its unit is ampere. Thermodynamic temperature, its unit is Kelvin. Luminous intensity, its unit is candela, and amount of substance is measured in mole. So today I am going to define the fundamental units. And the first fundamental unit is what here? Meter. हाँ? तो पहला फंडामेंटल यूनिट क्या है? मीटर. और ये किस फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी की यूनिट है? लेंथ की. हाँ? So how can we define the 1 meter? Actually, this definition is accepted at SI means system international. इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे ये सारे डेफिनेशन फंडामेंटल यूनिट के एक्सेप्ट किए गए हैं. तो हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन मीटर? 1 meter has been defined as length of the path traveled by the light in vacuum in 1 upon 299,792,458 part of the second. Actually, this one 299,792,458. This is the correct value of speed of light, which is generally written as 3 into 10 to the power 8. But this can be also, you can write 2.99 this one into 10 to the power 8, which is approximately taken 3 into 10 to the power 8. So simply 1 upon 299,792,458 इतने 1 upon this time of 1 second, this part of second में जो भी डिस्टेंस वैक्यूम में ट्रेवल की जाएगी वही डिस्टेंस क्या कहलाएगा? 1 meter. So dear student, you learn this definition as it is because this one is accepted at international level. And there is some conversion for this length, like all of you know kilometer, and 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter. 10 to the power 3 meter means 10 into 10 into 10 means 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So at place of 100 you can write 10 to the power 2 meter. So 10 to the power 2 meter is equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So when you will write 1 centimeter is equal to, then this becomes 1 upon 10 to the power 2 meter. And when you will take 10 to the power 2 in numerator, then you will write 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So simply 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. I hope maybe all of you know this conversion. This one is not new thing for you. ये कोई नई चीज आपके लिए नहीं है. 1 millimeter, 10 to the power minus 3 meter. If 10 to the power minus 3 means 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10 means 1 upon 1000. This one is called micrometer, mu. This notation is noted mu means micro. Mu m means micrometer. And 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Similarly, 1 nm, this nm is called nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. This one is called 1 angstrom. यहाँ देखिए a के ऊपर एक डिग्री की तरह बना दिया गया है. ये किसका नोटेशन है? एंगस्ट्रॉम. तो 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. One x unit is also unit of length, and which is equal to 10 to the power minus 13 meter. And similarly, one fm, this fm is called Fermi, to measure the size of nucleus. हाँ, बहुत छोटी साइज, जैसे न्यूक्लियस की साइज को मेजर करने के लिए, एटम के न्यूक्लियस की साइज को मेजर करने के लिए हम कौन सा यूनिट यूज करते हैं? फर्मी. And 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So, dear student, all of you learn this conversion with this definition as it is. Suppose if anybody asks to you, 1 angstrom is equal to how many meter? तो आपको याद रखना चाहिए 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter, or 1 Fermi is equal to then 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So please all of you learn this one with this proper definition of the meter. And one more thing I want to tell you here in note, for measuring very small area, बहुत छोटी एरिया को मेजर करने के लिए हम कौन सी यूनिट यूज करते हैं? बार. And 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power minus 28 meter square. And you know, if we have 10 to the power minus 28 means 1 upon 10 into 10, how many times we will multiply it? 28 times. It means to measure very small area, we use the unit bar, where 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power minus 28 meter square. तो ये सारी यूनिट जो हमने लिखा है, ये किसके लिए है? मीटर के लिए कन्वर्टर. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो हमने डिस्टेंस या जो लेंथ मेजर किया है मीटर में, वो जैसे 1000 मीटर बहुत छोटा, ये तो मान लीजिए बड़ी क्वांटिटी होगी, मान लीजिए 1000 मीटर. बाकी सब ये सब बहुत छोटी छोटी लेंथ की यूनिट है, ये सब बहुत छोटे, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 6. But if you want to measure the distance from Earth to Moon, Earth to Sun, this one is called astronomical unit. So, beside this one, there are some astronomical units. For measuring very large astronomical distances, the following 3 units of length are used. अभी हमने बताया स्मॉल डिस्टेंसेस को मेजर करने के लिए, लेकिन जब बहुत बड़ी डिस्टेंसेस को मेजर करना हो तब उसके लिए हम 3 ये यूनिट यूज में लेते हैं और उसको कहते हैं एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट्स. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट. एक्चुअली एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट इज द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. पहली चीज याद रखना, एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट किसकी यूनिट है? लेंथ की यूनिट है. एंड हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन इट? इट इज डिनोटेड बाय AU, कैपिटल A and capital U. So one astronomical unit is the average distance of sun from earth. सन से अर्थ तक की जो एवरेज डिस्टेंस है उसको कहते हैं एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट. एंड वन एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट इज इक्वल टू 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. And at place of 1.496, nearly equal to, you can write 1.496, nearly 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. In two significant figures, you can write like this. So please all of you learn what definition of astronomical unit, and one astronomical unit is equal to how many meter. Because in your exam they will ask this one, define astronomical unit or light year. Similarly, second unit of length is what is light year. And again I would like to remind you, यहाँ मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ, light year is the unit of length. ये मत समझना कि यहाँ year दिया है तो ये टाइम की यूनिट हो गई, नहीं. Light year is the unit of length. It is denoted by small l and small y. And how can you define the one light year? So one light year is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. इसका मतलब एक लाइट ईयर डिस्टेंस क्या होगी? जब लाइट वैक्यूम में 1 साल में जितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा वो डिस्टेंस कहलाएगी 1 light year। एंड 1 light year इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 9.46 इंटू 10 to the power 15 मीटर। और सब लोग इसको याद रखिएगा। और 9.46 को हम नियरली लिख सकते हैं 10 into 10 to the power 15। And when you write 10 into 10 to the power 15, then nearly you can write this one is 10 to the power 16 meter. So dear student, always remember this. For measuring very large distance, we use the 3 units of length. First one is astronomical unit, second one is light year, and third one is called parasec. And the definition of the parasec, or this one is called parastic second. That definition, please, you will note down from your book and learn also. And here I am giving you only the conversion. 1 parsec is equal to how many meter or how many light year. And the third large unit of length is parallactic second or parasec. And again, look here. This one is looking parallactic second. This one is not unit of time. This one is the unit of length. And the definition of this parsec, please you note down from your book and you learn also. And here remember this, 1 parsec is equal to 3.1 into 10 to the power 16 meter. And in light year, also you can write 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. Sometime in the exam, simply they will ask, कभी-कभी exam में पूछते हैं fill in the blank, and in the fill in the blank they will give 1 parsec that's light year. So then you will write how many light year? 3.26 light year. So remember this, there are 3 bigger unit of length. First one is astronomical unit, second one is called light year, and third one is parallactic second. But all these 3 are also the unit of length. The second fundamental unit, which is what here? Kilogram. And kilogram is the unit of which physical quantity? Mass. And how can we define the kilogram? Actually, this one is accepted at international level. So I have given the as it is what is given in your book. 1 kilogram is defined as the mass of platinum iridium cylinder kept in pennies. It is what here? It is accepted at the international level. The mass of 1 kilogram or 1 kilogram mass is defined as the mass of this platinum iridium cylinder, which is kept in pennies here. And also you can say here, 1 kilogram mass is equal to mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees centigrade. Or simply you can say mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees centigrade is equal to 1 kilogram. And its conversion is, how can you say here, bigger unit as well as the smaller unit of mass? Bigger unit like 1 metric ton. 1 metric ton means 10 to the power 3 kg. 10 to the power 3 kg means 1000 kg. जैसे ट्रक में बहुत बड़े बड़े सामान जो रख करके लोग ले जाते हैं, तो वहां पे पता चलता है कि कितना सामान है, 2 मेट्रिक टन, 4 मेट्रिक टन, 10 मेट्रिक टन, ऐसे कर बताते हैं. तो 1 metric ton is equal to 10 to the power 3 kg. Similarly, 1 quintal, I hope maybe all of you heard the name of the quintal, सब लोग जानते होंगे क्विंटल. So 1 quintal is equal to 10 to the power 2 kg. 10 to the power 2 kg means 100 kg. 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. You know, 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power 3 gram. 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power 3 gram. So 1 gram is equal to how many kg? So 1 upon 10 to the power 3 kg. And 1 upon 10 to the power 3, when you will take in numerator, then you will write 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So similarly written here, 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Similarly, 1 milligram. So 1 milligram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 gram. And again, when this gram is changed in kilogram, so 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So when you will take this gram in kilogram, then again you multiply by the 10 to the power minus 3. So 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this becomes 10 to the power minus 6. क्यों? क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर क्या होते हैं? ऐड हो जाते हैं. So this becomes 10 to the power minus 6 kg. So dear student, please you learn the definition of this kilogram with this conversion here. Because when you will solve the numerical, जब हम numerical solve करेंगे तो इन कन्वर्जनों को हम बार बार यूज करेंगे. Similarly, to measure the mass of atoms or molecules, क्योंकि एटम और मॉलिक्यूल्स से बहुत छोटे मास हैं, तो इन छोटे मास को मेजर करने के लिए एक नई यूनिट यूज करते हैं, एंड दैट यूनिट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफाइड एटॉमिक मास यूनिट. And unified atomic mass unit is denoted by small u, and that unified atomic mass unit is 1 u is equal to 1 by 12, means 1/12 part of mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. This one is the isotope of the carbon. So you will take mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope divided by 12. This one is equal to 1 u. And after calculation, you will get 1 u or 1 unified atomic mass unit. And in start, you can say atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So better you learn only the one atomic mass unit is equal to how many kg. And remember this atomic mass unit we use to measure the mass of atoms or molecules, which is very, very small. Now, third fundamental unit is second, as you know, which is the unit of time. Fundamental quantity is time, whose fundamental unit is second. And how can we define the second? Actually, 1 second is defined as the time interval in which cesium-133 atoms complete 91926317770 vibration in an atomic clock. Dear student, याद रखना ये जो डिफिनीशन सब दी हुई हैं, इसमें हम कोई मैनिपुलेशन नहीं कर सकते, अलग से कोई चीज इसको समझाने के लिए हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे यही डिफिनीशन एक्सेप्ट होगा. तो आप इसी डिफिनीशन को एज इट इज याद करने की कोशिश करिएगा. एक दो बार याद करेंगे, याद हो जाएगा. एंड समझने के लिए आप कह सकते हैं कि सीजियम एलिमेंट जिसका एटॉमिक मास 133 होता है, तो सीजियम एटम एटॉमिक क्लॉक में 91926317770 इतना वाइब्रेशन करने में जो टाइम लेगा उसको हम कहेंगे 1 सेकेंड. फिर से सुनिए, सीजियम 133 का मतलब सीजियम एलिमेंट जिसका एटॉमिक मास कितना है 133, इसका एटम एटॉमिक क्लॉक में इतना वाइब्रेशन करने में जो समय लेगा वही समय क्या कहलाएगा? 1 सेकेंड. इट इज एक्सेप्टेड एट द इंटरनेशनल. एंड यू कैन से हियर 1 millisecond, small ms means millisecond. 1 millisecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 second. 1 microsecond, this mu means microsecond. 1 microsecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 second. 1 nanosecond is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 second. 1 picosecond, ps means picosecond, 10 to the power minus 12 second. And 1 sec is 10 to the power minus 8 second. So all of you also learn this definition and this conversion. This one is very important for you. Now, next fundamental unit is ampere. And ampere is the unit of electric current. And how can we define the 1 ampere current? So first, I would like to tell you here, सब लोग जानते हैं 1 ampere current, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे ये जो डिफिनीशन मैं बताने जा रहा हूं, दिस डिफिनीशन इज एक्सेप्टेड. इवन यू नो ऑल्सो हियर 1 ampere current when 1 coulomb charge flowing through a conductor in 1 second or through a cross section of the circuit in 1 second, that is called 1 ampere current. It's okay here. I am not saying this one is wrong. But if in your exam, if it is asking here to define 1 ampere current, then please you will write this definition, not 1 coulomb charge flowing through a conductor in 1 second. And according to this one, how can we define the 1 ampere current? So it is given 1 ampere is defined as the current which when maintained in two parallel and straight conductor of infinite length and negligible cross section placed in vacuum at a distance of 1 meter apart would produce a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter length between the conductors. क्योंकि ये पूरी डेफिनेशन आप लोगों के लिए एकदम नई है 1 एम्पियर के लिए। अब ऐसे सुनिए, अगर ये दो कंडक्टर हैं, मान लीजिए दो पैरेलल कंडक्टर हैं और इनकी लेंथ इनफाइनाइट है और थिकनेस बहुत ही कम है, नेग्लिजिबल एरिया क्रॉस सेक्शन, और ये दोनों पैरेलल वायर अगर वैक्यूम में रखे गए हैं और इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस है अगर 1 मीटर, अगर इसमें 1 एम्पियर की करंट फ्लो होगी तब ये वायर पर मीटर लेंथ पे इतना फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे। दोनों वायर पर मीटर लेंथ पे 2 इंटू 10⁻⁷ न्यूटन का फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे। इट मींस व्हेन टू parallel current carrying conductor placed in vacuum at a distance of 1 meter, we experience a force of 2 into 10⁻⁷ Newton per meter, then the current flow in that conductor is 1 ampere. So I think maybe 2-3 times when you will read this one here, because same definition again I will give you in the class 12 in the magnetic field here. So here only you learn if it is possible here, and same definition in the class 12 again I will give you in the details. How can we define and how can you find this force 2 into 10⁻⁷ Newton. So all these things is given in the class 12. Here you learn only the definition here. And dear student, here up to ampere, this one is important because several times they will ask. It defined the astronomical unit, light year per second, or defined the amperes. These things several times they will ask in the exams there. And for other fundamental units or the definition of the other fundamental units, please all of you note down from your book and learn the definition with the proper conversion. Like for after ampere, then thermodynamic temperature means Kelvin. Next one is mole. And beside this one, there are two supplementary units, radian and steradian. So once all of you go through this definition, you note down in your classwork copy, and also better you learn the definition of all these fundamental quantities, means fundamental units with the two supplementary units. When you will do the practice 2-3 times, so I hope maybe all these things is easily you can learn. And in the next video, I will give you the next topic which is very important and easy, and that topic is derived unit. Thank you.